Now I will give you one magic trick that you can use your mathematical powers and also learn something. Interested? Anybody brought dice?
I don't have any dice.
I brought 3 dice. I'll bring it.
No problem. If you have, bring it. If you don't have, no big deal.
I
Because
brought
yesterday
7
I
dice.
promised that, yeah. 7? I need only 3. Yesterday I forgot this trick. This is why I told you 4. But I will use 3. Okay, Jamura, ready? Now look, my son says, who is Jamura? all persons in India, they know what is Jamura. Jamura means there is a magician and there is a sidekick of magician. मतलब magician के साथ जो काम करता है वो. तो जो जब magician होता है उसके साथ में जो काम करता है उसको जमुरा बोलते हैं. तो उससे बोलते हैं हाँ जमुरा बोलो क्या करेगा ऐसे मजे करते. Okay, so we are just having fun.
Also means monkey.
Yes. So okay, you see we have 3 dices here. All the magic tricks, you know, the magicians, they do magic trick. There is always a mathematical logic to it. There is a scientific logic to it. We can see it or not, that is another thing. But there is a logic to it that I will demonstrate with these 3 dices. Now we have these 3 dice, okay? 3. Now what you continue doing it here because I can't help looking at the dice because we are doing it like this. Generally, when you do this trick, you ask one person, your Jamura, to take 3 dice and ask him to roll. You roll. Don't throw too much. Just roll all these 3 numbers. Okay. Now it is rolled. Now you take a paper and a pen. You take a paper and a pen. Take anyone, any paper. Okay. Now you have your own dice. You can continue following it. Here is the paper, and you bring a pen.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
Does this work only with 3 dice, or do you need?
It will work only with 3 dice. This particular trick works with 3 dice. There are many other things. Mathematics has, whenever you do any mathematics, we have to define the problem clearly. Here we need 3 dice, and all the 3 dice have to be 6-faced dice. 6-faced means cubes.
Yes.
So this is the.
I remember the number.
And yesterday, you remember we discussed what is the sum of the opposing faces. It is 5 and 2, 7. So this is the key for this trick. Now you roll 3 dice. You roll 3 dice. Throw 3 dice. Green. In just for clarification, you remember green, yellow, and red. We will call it red. Okay. Now I am rolling it. Okay. Now whatever shows up, write. You write 4, 4, and 5. 4, 4 here. Write 4. No, down here 4, and write 5. Okay, you roll your own dice and see what numbers show. You just write here 4, 4, and 5. We have written 4, 4, and 5. Whatever on the front face. Okay, 4, 4, 5. Front face of the dice.
4. All 4.
No, whatever you are. You are very lucky. All 4.
Yes.
Great. Either you are cheating or you are very lucky. I believe you, and you are not cheating, so you are very lucky. Okay, so leave it as it is. Huh? The magician has not seen this. So we will keep this 4 and 5 here. Take only this. Take only one of the dice. So magician has not seen this dice. Now turn it around, and what shows in the bottom? 3. Whatever shows in the bottom, you write here 3.
Okay, I'm writing with the lighter green pen.
Here you write 3 in the bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the done. Now ask your Jamura to roll it again. Done. Write 2. Add them all.
4 plus 4
Yes.
Again.
plus 4 equal to 8.
Yes, 8. Yes.
Not four.
To see 8. 5 and 3 comes 8.
Okay.
8 and 3 and 2 also comes 8. No. Is it like this or?
How much? Simply 5, 3, 8 and 2, 10.
Oh yes.
10 and 8, 18. You are forgetting your maths. Okay, 18 is the answer. Okay. Now come here. See, the answer will be, because you are the magician, you have not seen the dice. Which one was rolled at the last time? Simply add up top faces. Now magician's view. What you will do? Add top faces.
My addition view is at the dark pen.
4, 5 and 2. This is what magician will see at the end. Whatever shows up here, just add 7 and your answer will be this.
Really? Let me see.
4 plus 5, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 7.
Let me see here.
11 plus
16.
17, 7.
11 plus
7, 18.
8.
Get it?
Got it?
See, whatever finally shows up, the magician will come. Look here, what is here? 4, 5, 2. So he will see 4, 5, 2. Simply add 7 and this answer will come. Again, I will show you. Take another color pen. You take 3 dice. Okay. You take 3 dice, roll. Okay. And now I am showing the Jamura view. Okay. He will roll. Now this number shows up. Okay. 5, 5 and 4. The magician is not seeing this. Magician is not seeing. He will write 5. He will write 5. He will write 4. Okay. When it is done,
4, 2.
yes, keep these 2 away. Only take 1.
Green.
Green,
For us,
1.
green and-
Ask your assistant.
Here you go. Right with the green pen.
Ask, write the bottom number. Bottom number is 2. Write here 2. Now magician has not seen anything. He is only asking, just write the bottom number 2 here. Now magician will ask, okay, roll again and keep here. Now I will see and tell you what is the number. This one goes here again. Okay, right here 1. Now Jamura will, your assistant will add up all this. 5 plus 5, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 is your answer. But magician will come. He will check top faces. 5, 6, 4, 9.
Yes.
5, 6,
4,
6 and 4.
6 and 4.
10.
Oh yeah.
10.
10. Same. 10 plus 7 is your answer. 17.
Not 11. 17. How this is possible?
Okay, that's magic.
I got 15.
Very cool.
I got 15 because I did 2.
Okay. And again, we do it one more time. You will understand. They get another one paper. See, Avi,
There you go. Some more
do you get the idea? Take 3 dices. Ask them, roll this way. Okay. Rolled. Keep here. Now magician is not seeing this. Huh? Magician is not seeing. You ask your friend to do it. So this is the answer. 5. Write 5. Write 2. Write 2. Done. Now this you keep away. Only take 1 dice. Ask them what is in the bottom. Bottom will be what? 5. So write 5. Now the magician will say, roll it again. Now he will roll it again. Roll, keep here. 5 again, we write 5 more. Now assistant will add up all this. Add 5, 5, 10, 14 and 5, 19. Now the magician comes, looks at it, how much it is? 5, 5, 10 or 2? 12 plus 7.
19. How this is possible?
This is possible because there is algebra and there is arithmetic here.
Because the 7 is common.
Yes, 7 is common, but you can make fool of people using your brains. This is why we pay magicians, right? And see, if you ask any boy, grade 2, he says, okay, let us do additions. He will say, what additions? I'm not interested. But if I
Can
say,
you
come on,
show one more example?
okay, we will do one more. Bring another paper. As long as you are happy, you are learning, we will do. Come and play with, get 3 dices. And I will upload one model, cube model. Okay, you make it out of paper. Okay, bring another paper. Okay, now your assistant is rolling 3 dices. Okay, this is the formula. Throw 3 dice, green, red, and yellow. Where is red? Bring red. Okay, suppose this is red. Okay, so this is first step. Throw 3 dice, green, red, yellow. I also forget, so I write. So we are throwing 3 dice here. Okay, now it is here. Let us now say add face, front, top. This top faces you have to add green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow we write here. What is here? 5, 1 and 1. So we write 5, we write 1, we write 1. Okay, now pick one dice. Pick one die that is green. Suppose we keep these 2 away and pick 1. What is opposite side of it that we have to write? Bottom is 9, bottom is 6. So this time we are writing bottom, huh? Bottom. Now we will say, okay, Jamura, start again. He will roll and keep here. Now whatever comes, it comes 1. 1, now write 1. This is from top. Now this is not magician's view. Magician is not looking at it. 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, or 7 and 6.
7 and 6 is equal to 13.
13 and 1.
14.
14.
Yeah.
This is assistant's view. Okay, now the magician comes. Magician has not seen this 14. It will keep away. Magician will see 5, 1 or 1. How much?
Is
7. Add 7 to 8. 7 plus 7 is 14.
Correct.
So our answer is 13.
Possible. Right.
This is how it works. Okay, so if you want, I can show it again, or we will go to the next
Asking you please.
model.
Okay.
Next.
Sir, can you please
Okay.
show again once?
Okay, look, okay, bring another paper one more time. I will post this paper in the WhatsApp group. You can see that there. Okay. Now we roll it and we see. Now your assistant is rolling it. Okay, Avi, I am rolling it and you tell the answer. Okay, whatever shows up last, you just add 7 to it. You don't see this. Okay, I am not showing it to Shashwat. I am doing the answer.
I'm going.
You go away. Okay, he is not seeing the dice faces now. So this face comes. I say, okay, I am writing the top faces. Okay, 4. Oh, I will not say. I have added. Now I will keep this one away now. Okay, I will take this. What is opposite of 5? On the other side will be 2. So we write 2 here. Shashwat is not here. He is not able to see us. Now I will roll again one time. Okay, I have written it here. Whatever shows here, it is 1. I will write 1 here. So our answer is sum of this 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 2, 10 and 14. Avi, come here and give us your answer, Mr. Magician. Come quickly. Magician appears in an instant. This is what it shows up. Can you give us what is my? Oh, I will hide this answer.
Okay.
It's not working actually. My answer is 10 and the dice is
What is the yellow color's number?
1 plus
2,
4.
2.
No, 1 plus
2 plus 1.
6, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14 was their answer.
14 is our answer.
So I'm a magician now.
Tell me, how do you like this one?
Sir,
Huh?
when will
Yes.
you send the file for the cubes?
How do you
That I don't know, my friend. I will have to figure it out.
coming, right?
This is what we made last time.
Yes.
It's a random
And
number that's
yes.
coming.
This
And
is
then
a-
how do you get it there?
Become.
How do we get it there? There is a, it can be proved. You see, whenever we do mathematical theorem or anything, there is a proof to it. We can prove it algebraically, like, you know, like I showed you here, this one. There is an algebraic proof. The basic of it is 7. The opposing faces of the dice add up to 7. The opposite faces, one side it is 5, you see the bottom it is 2, like that.
Sir, they always add up to 7?
They will always add up to 7. You have a dice in front of you.
Yes, sir. So can we use any normal dice?
These are the normal dice. Normal dice
No,
are
sir,
made like
these
this way only.
are the huge versions, sir. I'm asking about the playboard.
Yes, normal. Yes, yes.
board
You
games.
take your Liga, you know, the snake and ladder dice. There also, there will be 6 dots here. But if you turn it, there will be 1 dot here. Opposite. Opposing faces are always, they add up to
if you
7.
take any side, both the front side and the back side of the same side are equal to
Yes.
7.
They add up to 7.
Like
If it
4
is
plus
4 here,
7. 5 plus
there will be
2
3
is
here.
7.
Yes. You know the Math Olympiad. If any of you is preparing for Math Olympiad, there would be many questions like this based on dice. They will show you a dice like this. 4, 5, and 6 here. Now tell us what is here. This face, other face.
1.
Yes, because the opposite
One,
way.
sir.
And here will be 2, right? And here will be
7.
3.
3.
That way. So in Math Olympiad, there is many questions based on dice. Is any one of you preparing for Science Olympiad?
No, I'm not.
No, me neither.
And do you know what Science Olympiad is? Have you tried it before and now you are not doing it, or you have never attempted it before?
I've attempted it, but I'm
Okay.
not, it's somewhere, for me, the things are somewhere.
That's fine. That's fine. It doesn't matter. See, the thing is, you don't have to compare with anyone to know how good you are. Okay. This is one way of looking at things, that if I am better than somebody, it doesn't make me any better. You should be better than yourself. So this is why many people say we are not interested in examination. That's fine. But in the Science Olympiad, there are certain questions because I studied the paper. So that way I am saying. Okay, so this takes care of dice.